When searching for land surveyors in Madanayakanahalli, Bangalore, it's critical to choose a business that is trustworthy, skilled, and offers a reasonable price. Consider using the services of land surveyors in Kamasandra, Bangalore, as one such alternative. These experts focus on precisely measuring and mapping out land boundaries, which can be important for a variety of situations like real estate transactions, building projects, and legal issues. To avoid any unforeseen costs or surprises, it's crucial to acquire a detailed price up front. In order to confirm that the surveyors are qualified to manage your particular demands, be sure to ask them about their experience and credentials as well. In general, it can be difficult to discover the best land surveyors in Madanayakanahalli, Bangalore, at a reasonable price. But if you work with experts like those in Kamasandra, you can be confident that your property lines will be precisely plotted out and recorded for your peace of mind. Bangalore's Madanayakanahalli neighborhood is quickly expanding, and as the city expands, so does the requirement for precise property surveys. Modern tools and technology are used by these government land surveyors in Madanayakanahalli to offer precise measurements and maps of land borders. Working with a trustworthy and knowledgeable group is crucial if you're looking for land surveyors in Kamasandra, Bangalore. With years of expertise conducting land surveys in the area, the government land surveyors in Madanayakanahalli can assist you with all of your surveying requirements. Working with government land surveyors in Madanayakanahalli will help you make sure that your land is appropriately surveyed and mapped, regardless of whether you are a property owner or developer. In order to deal with the best, find government land surveyors in Madanayakanahalli. If you're seeking for land surveyors in Kamasandra, Bangalore, land surveying services are in high demand in Bangalore's rapidly rising Madanayakanahalli neighborhood. One cannot ignore the skill of land surveyors in Kamasandra, Bangalore, when looking for the best land surveyors in Madanayakanahalli, Bangalore. They are well equipped to fulfill all land surveying requirements, from boundary surveys to topographic surveys, thanks to their years of experience and cutting-edge technology. To guarantee that all property lines and borders are precisely defined, the top land surveyors in Madanayakanahalli, Bangalore, deliver accurate and trustworthy survey reports. For builders and real estate developers, who must have precise dimensions before beginning construction projects, this is especially crucial. The land surveyors in Kamasandra, Bangalore, make incredibly accurate and detailed maps using the most recent software and technology, guaranteeing that clients get the most precise and current information. The top land surveyors in Madanayakanahalli, Bangalore, also have a thorough knowledge of regional rules and laws pertaining to land surveying. They collaborate closely with clients to guarantee that all surveys are carried out on schedule and in accordance with applicable laws. Their dedication to offering top-notch services has helped them build a solid reputation among customers in Madanayakanahalli and throughout. In conclusion,